Welcome to Chandler Engineering. At Chandler Engineering, we don't just build instruments, we build confidence. Join us at our Global Training Center and take your skills to the next level. Located at our factory in Oklahoma, the Global Training Center offers courses designed to equip you with the skills needed to efficiently operate and maintain your Chandler equipment. Whether you're new to Chandler Instruments or a seasoned lab technician looking to sharpen your skills, our fully equipped training center offers immersive hands-on courses tailored to your needs. Training is available right here at our facility, or we can bring the classroom to you with on-site sessions at your location. Choose from our specialized programs, including the cementing maintenance and calibration training course, a comprehensive 5-day deep dive into cementing equipment and maintenance, the Quizix Pump School, a 4-day intensive course focused on the operation and maintenance of Quizix pumps, or design your own custom training package tailored to meet your specific needs. Have questions or ready to register? Visit our website today